Classics never die. In 2016, Flair flipped the industry on its head with the release of our first espresso maker. 9 years later, we're reintroducing the Flair Classic, refreshed and updated for 2026. Because we've always kept one sentiment in mind: never forget where you came from. Maintaining the philosophy of a minimalist espresso brewing experience, we've kept the same all-metal frame, small brewing footprint, and control over all brew variables. All while adding a custom pressure gauge to accurately pressure profile your shots, a stainless steel no preheat brew cylinder to simplify your workflow, and a flow control portafilter. So whether you're experienced or new to home brewing, you can craft a quality shot of espresso every time. Like echoes from the past, roots remind us of how far we've come. At Flair, we'll always believe that simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication. Removing electronics, pumps, and automation creates space for what matters: your hands brewing great espresso. Flair, more than an espresso machine, it's an experience.